Are you guys looking for some budget gaming earbuds? If so, here we have two great TWS from Truke. One for gaming and the second one for normal usage. My name is Ashok and in this video let's take a look at TWS from Truke. As said, one is Truke Buds Lite and the second one is Truke BTG 3. And also guys, I'm doing a giveaway of these buds. Participating in giveaway is quite easy. Just drop a comment on this video, any random comment, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll be selecting two winners and will announce the winner on my Instagram and Twitter account. So make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Winners will be announced soon we hit 600 likes on this video. And now let's quickly start with the unboxing part. So here you can see we have two variants. One is Buds Air Lite and the second one is Truke BTG 3. We'll unbox both of these buds together. So if you take a look at the box, here we have two different TWS, and this one towards the right hand side, this is designed basically for gaming. This one is for the normal usage. Towards the right of the box, it says power of true beats. This is a quick overview on the specifications. You get 10 hours of playback time. We have features like auto in-ear detection. Both these buds come with 10mm dynamic driver, and the best part is we get 55 ms of ultra low latency on both these buds. Both the buds have the support of Bluetooth 5.1. Now let's quickly unbox both these buds and see what all box content we get inside this box. Soon you open the box, you get the first look at your TWS. Later followed by an USB to Type-C charging cable along with user manual, a warranty card in both the buds. By the way, these buds come with 1 year of warranty, and at last some ear tips depending on your ear size. So this is all you get inside the box. Build quality of both these buds is decent and design kind of similar to Apple AirPods. Truke Bud Lights comes with this single tone flipped open design with the branding of Truke in the front. BTG 3 comes with this gaming characterized design. Along with the Truke branding, we also get to see the LEDs here. And these LEDs do change the colors, but we don't have any option to manually control it. As said, build quality is decent enough considering the price range. I'll talk about the pricing at the end of this video. These products will be launched on 7th Jan 1200 hours. I'll keep you guys updated in the comment section below about the pricing and the purchase link. Mostly these TWS will be available on Amazon and Flipkart. Both these buds comes with dual MEMS mic, single mic on each bud. We get similar battery capacity on both these buds. Buds have 40 mAh of battery capacity and which can last up to 8 to 10 hours of continuous music playback. And the box comes with 300 mAh of battery capacity. So with single charge of buds and box, device can last up to 48 hours of music playback and talk time. Great battery backup. I've been doing gaming using these buds and have never noticed more than 35% of battery drain in almost 4 hours of continuous gaming. Buds don't have the support of fast charging, so to completely charge from 0 to 100, it takes 90 minutes. We don't have any reset button on these buds, though at the bottom we get the charging port which is of Type-C. In-ear fitting is really great, and if you are the one into running and gymming stuff, they won't easily fall out. So great fitting and should not have any kind of issues using them for a longer period of time, as buds are quite light in weight. We also don't get any kind of application support for these buds. And when it comes to gaming, trust me guys, I do play a lot of BGMI and have been using them from the day I have received it. There are no issues to be found till now. Sound is damn accurate while playing games like Battle Royale and no disconnection of the sound. There were no latency problem. Footsteps in the games are accurate to spot enemies. I've never had such kind of experience with any of my TWS whichever I have used. Mostly I used to do gaming with OnePlus Buds Z, but there were lots of issues related to disconnection. But that's not the case with these buds. So if you are into gaming, go for BTG 3, though we have similar specifications on the Lite version too. On BTG 3, we have a customized gaming core chipset for high performance game core with enhanced sound quality. And as said, on both these buds, we get 55 ms of ultra low latency. So with such a low latency, you guys won't face any kind of issues while gaming. And now talking about the sound quality, and this is where I'm just in love with these buds. Well balanced treble and bass. Sometimes bass is on the higher side, but it's not always. I'm not much into listening music. Basically, I listen Punjabi music whenever I'm traveling or when I'm free. In few songs, I did notice bass was at bit higher level. But rest everything was really good. Sound is loud enough and well optimized. Vocals are very clear and even highs. I was thinking how Truke even managed to balance everything so well. So great job done by Truke here. And now let's also take a look at the call quality. Let me tell you guys, these buds don't have ANC, which is active noise cancellation. Instead of that, we get to see artificial intelligence noise cancellation feature.
So this recording is directly from Truke BTG 3. You guys will have a better idea about the noise cancellation, though the environment is not too noisy, but yes, you guys will get a fair idea. And from here, I'll keep quiet for 10-15 seconds to get a better idea about noise cancellation. And this is the second recording which I did from Air Buds Lite. I personally don't think that you guys will be able to make out much difference because the specifications are quite similar. Now I'll keep quiet for around 10 seconds.
Call quality is decent enough, but don't expect much of noise cancellation. With this price range, I am okay with the noise cancellation present on these buds. You won't get anything better in this price segment. Now talking about gestures, these buds don't come with any dedicated application to customize the gestures or even to update these buds. So we have to use the default gestures. Pairing is quite easy, just open up the case and you'll get a pop-up to pair your buds. You can power on or off these buds by pressing and holding on any of the buds for 3 seconds. You can single tap on any of the bud to play or pause music. We also have the calling gesture, so if you are getting any call, you can just tap on any of the bud once and that will receive the call. To reject call, just tap and hold on any of the bud for 2 seconds. This way you can reject the calls. We also have a dedicated gaming mode and that can be triggered by long pressing on right bud for 3 seconds. This way you can enable or disable gaming mode on these buds. Also for every gesture, you'll hear an announcement and that's quite handy. And it would have been a good option if we had the option to control the volumes too via gestures. And to make changes between songs, if you want to go back to the previous song, just press and hold on the left bud for 2 seconds. That will take you to the previous song. If you want to switch to next song, just press and hold right earbud for 2 seconds. By default, in-ear sensor will be turned off, so for once you need to enable it, and that can be done by tapping 3 times on the left earbud. That will trigger in-ear sensor. Google Assistant and Siri can also be triggered by just tapping twice on the left earbud. Also, gestures are too good when it comes to response on touch. Till now never struggled while using gestures on any of these buds. Both these buds have IPX4 rating, which is resistance to water splashes from all directions, but avoid submerging in the water. Only one drawback which I found with BTG3 buds is that when you keep the buds back in the case, the LED light takes a lot of time to turn off. I'm not aware about the exact timing, but it usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes to get turned off. Other than this, everything is fine on these two buds. Talking about the pricing of these buds, both these buds will be available for 1399 rupees. As said, not aware about this first sale, but I'll pin it in the comment section below. Soon I get to know about the sale of these buds. So guys, this was a quick look and unboxing of one of my favorite TWS in this price segment. Once again, good job done by Truke. And I would say if you are into gaming, then go with the gaming bud. And I'm sure you guys won't regret buying these buds. Anyways, make sure to participate in the giveaway. All the details can be found in the description below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.